Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll explore PTSD in active military personnel. We'll cover the symptoms, the challenges they face, and how we can provide meaningful support. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, is a mental health condition that affects many, especially those who served in the military. By understanding PTSD, we can better support those who protect our freedom and help them on their journey to healing. PTSD happens after someone goes through a traumatic experience. For active duty military members, the risk is much higher due to the realities of combat, life-threatening situations, and the loss of fellow service members. While PTSD is often associated with veterans, it's important to remember it can happen to anyone, but the unique challenges of military life make it especially tough. PTSD shows up in different ways. Some people relive the trauma through flashbacks and nightmares. Others go out of their way to avoid anything that reminds them of what happened. It can also change how someone feels, bringing on hopelessness, isolation, or even difficulty trusting others. And then there are the physical signs, like trouble sleeping, irritability, or feeling on edge all the time. PTSD doesn't just affect the person who has it, it impacts their loved ones too. Families may find it hard to connect or communicate. Children might not understand what's going on, leading to anxiety or behavioral issues. That's why it's so important to address PTSD not just for the individual but for the family as a whole. PTSD is more common in the military than you might think. Studies show that between 11 to 20% of veterans from recent combat operations experience it every year. And did you know that female service members are at an even higher risk? These numbers highlight how urgent it is to provide proper care and support. The good news? PTSD can be treated. Therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy, exposure therapy, and EMDR can make a big difference. Some people may also benefit from medication to manage their symptoms. And let's not forget about the power of alternative approaches like mindfulness, yoga, or even acupuncture. They can promote healing in surprising ways. For those seeking tailored care, Compassion Behavioral Health in South Florida offers specialized PTSD treatment for active duty military members and veterans. Their expert team provides comprehensive mental health and substance use treatment through residential and outpatient programs. Using evidence-based therapies like CBT and EMDR, they focus on addressing the unique challenges faced by service members. At Compassion Behavioral Health, the goal is sustainable healing, empowering individuals to reclaim their lives in a safe, supportive environment. By learning about PTSD and breaking down the stigma around mental health, we can create a supportive community for our military members and their families. If you or someone you know is struggling, don't wait to reach out. Help is available, and healing is possible. Thanks for watching. Let's stand together to support our service members and their families. Because no one should face PTSD alone.